Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below on the menu today. As you can see, piping hot. We're doing a curry, vegan, vegetarian, healthy, with potatoes and peas. I really love this with bread, not rice. I love it with like a chapati, paratha or a roti, something like that. Really, really simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So, in the center, star of the show, potatoes. Peeled, and I've actually boiled mine. They're half boiled, so they're slightly cooked on the outside, but still a little, they've got a cut to them when I cut them. That just speeds the process up. If you wanted, use raw potatoes, but takes longer. Here I've got some frozen green garden peas. Just give those a wash in a little bit of warm water. Garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. There's like 2 to 3 teaspoons there. Some fresh chilies, I'm using a green chili today. Some chopped onions, fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Cilantro or coriander fresh. In here I've got some cumin seeds and black mustard seeds, about a teaspoon each. And in here, as always, what I call the big 4, equal parts of chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and turmeric. Of course, you could be using a curry powder of your choice. That's about it. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Let's go and do it. So here we are. I've got some oil on the go there. I'm using a sunflower oil. And maybe you might find this too much oil, but I want to fry the potatoes in this first. If you want to use less oil, go ahead and use less oil. First we're going to drop in the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds in this hot oil, we'll infuse it. A few pops and crackles. It's going to give that oil a lovely flavour. And like I say, I'm going to add my potatoes now. I want to fry them off first. So in these go. Might be a bit loud. Here we go. That's actually fine. I'm going to add some salt right now. And like I say, my potatoes, I've kind of parboiled them just for kind of to speed the process up really. So let's fry these around for about 4 minutes. Just get a little bit of colour on them. Okay, there we go. About 4 minutes. A little bit of colour happening on them now. Now if you wanted, you could drain this oil off if you find it too much. I'm going straight with this. I don't mind the oil, but lots of you out there don't like using lots of oil. So that's your choice. Okay, onions, in they go. That garlic ginger paste. I'm now going to add those fresh green chilies as well. And again, I'm going to go for about another 4 minutes now. Keep stirring. Wonderful, this is coming together perfectly. Now I'm going to drop in those tomatoes. Like I say, try and use the ripest tomato you can. And we're now going to add in our powders. Like I say, I've got 4 powders here, equal parts of turmeric, cumin, coriander and chili. But you can, of course, be using a curry mix that you have already, a curry powder. So I'm using there's like a teaspoon each there. Give this a little mix around. Now I've just got a glass of water here, which I'm going to add in. And on a high heat, let's cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes. What we want is the tomatoes to break down, and if you use a nice ripe tomato, they should have given us a nice gravy or masala. If not, you can always just add a touch more water. Give it a stir every now and then. And as you can see, our tomatoes have given off loads of moisture. And like I say, if they haven't, just add a bit more water to them. Okay, let's add in those frozen peas. Like I say, that I just dropped in some warm water. Just 2 minutes now, get some heat through those peas and a bit of flavour on them. We're pretty much done. Keep it on a high heat now. Really wonderful. So off goes the heat. We're going to add in that cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And I didn't show you this earlier, but what is nice is a nice large pinch of garam masala powder, which is a nice finishing powder we can use. Give that a little mix and we're done. This is absolutely wonderful. I find this really nice with some form of bread, chapati, roti, paratha. Just works really well. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love to you.